Welcome, MW, and welcome again trading crypto GTC. Welcome market update. We're going to talk a little bit about the daily market updates. It will be very quick. I'm going to try to do daily updates like this. So it's going to be a little bit of financial market updates. It's going to be also a little bit of crypto, what's going on. There will also be an altcoin daily update, so we're working on that one also. So welcome everyone. This is what you're gonna expect from me. If you want a longer version, say you want the educational, and we dive into some trade setups and some coins that we're planning on longing or shorting, that's you have to subscribe to the Patreon or to the Telegram group to join the live streams. So let's dive in. So the DXY, we have been talking about the DXY a lot lately for the ones that have been joining on the live streams. And as we can see, if we put on the MW indicator, you see that we're on a 4-hour trying to test it. It's showing some power, so still holding this level. Just like I told you past days, we need to hold this level. So let's see how the DXY is going. Is it even, it needs to reach the 99.9, and this will be the crucial moment to see if this thing might ramp up. For the ones that don't understand this, if the DXY will ramp up above this one, this will be bad for markets most of the time. So we have to keep that in mind, especially with the tariff wars going on and everything. So let me go to the US500. The US500 is over here trying to bounce up together with the DXY. This is something very remarkable that we're seeing past weeks, is that the DXY is moving a little bit, it's like correlated to the US500. This is something that's not healthy, to be honest, because most of the times what we see is when the DXY ramps up, you see the US500 also, the DXY, the US500 going down. But, it's just this temporary moves, and you have to see it like this. When the DXY is going to make a really big move up, you'll probably see the US500 going back to the 48. So for now, we're just retesting. So also on the daily, let me show you on the daily. Also on the daily, look at this. The indicator is also going down. By the way, if you want this indicator, you have to be trading on Below or BTNX. The links are below, and DM us on Twitter. Everything's in the description. You can join us over there. So this is basically, we tested it like 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and now it's just trying to make that move up. In my opinion, it's just a matter of time, and we're back at the 4,800. So that's about the markets at this point. So let me show you guys a little bit about Bitcoin and what to expect from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is showing a little bit. I have to be honest with you. Bitcoin is pretty solid and holding the line pretty good over here. It's just like the DXY. They're holding the line together over here. So for me, Bitcoin, it's these are the resistance levels, and it's just going sideways. So it's also giving a lot of power to the Koreans, and we're gonna talk about those altcoins of the Koreans in a moment, how they are able to ramp up a lot of altcoins out there. Because if you're trading in crypto, you really have to be focusing on what the Koreans are doing, because Koreans are ruling at this moment, in my opinion, the altcoins. And I'm gonna show you guys in a moment how that's looking. So over here, this is really remarkable because this indicator is really massive. So what we're seeing over here is that it's holding the indicator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now. So the only way is now to ramp up a little bit to go and reach these levels over here to get maybe another rejection. But for now, we're holding the line really beautifully. So let me show you the altcoins that I've been talking about. So these are the altcoins that I'm talking about. These are the altcoins of the Koreans. So the Koreans are very interested in ADAR. So they're over here, see this, guys. These Koreans are really, in my opinion, also saving the crypto space, because all these altcoins, there's just no power. There's no power, no volume, no nothing. So it's just they go up a little bit and then they dump down again. So, but the Koreans, they are, they're making now the 5x's, the 10x's out of nothing in a matter of days. So we have to keep, that's what we also discuss on the live streams. We have to keep an eye on those on those coins, and we're going to use the indicator on them. And you can make those life-changing money in a matter of days. So that's what we do. We always follow the money where the money is going. So we got order over here. You see we made this big push up, a retrace over here, and then they want to go again. Strax also beautiful. It just doubled in a matter of a day. I think, yeah, it is a matter of a day. Look at this. boom, up, retracing a bit. Don't be surprised that this thing will be at $1 in, out of nothing if the markets will allow it. We got S&T, also one of the Korean coins that is showing a little bit of power over here. And we got ARK. This is basically one of my favorite, to be honest. So ARK is really one of those coins. And why is it one of my favorites? Let me show you, because this thing has been, it's really at bottom formations. Are you seeing this? This thing is still a bottom formation. So if the Koreans are really interested in ARK, they can push this thing up to the 180. Because that's just what they do. These guys, they just keep bumping those coins up and up and up. So that's basically the market update for today. Subscribe, push the like, share them as much as you can, and read the description how to join the live streams. Have a nice one. Thank you all for watching, and bye-bye.